Hello class 10C. Today we are going to start a chapter study of compounds, and in this we'll study about hydrogen chloride, ammonia, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, these four compounds. So the first we are going to discuss is hydrogen chloride. And hydrogen chloride, first we'll discuss about its occurrence, that means how we can where it occurs. The second one, general methods of preparation of hydrogen chloride, and the third one is laboratory preparation. So with the beginning of hydrogen chloride, so the molecular formula is HCl. Hydrogen chloride, if it is written hydrogen chloride HCl, then it is a gas. If it is written hydrochloric, then it is acid. Okay, both have got the same molecular formula. Molecular mass is 36.5. Bond, that is the bond type, the chemical bond that is present between hydrogen and chlorine is covalent bond. That means there is a sharing of electron. So here we can see the orbital diagram. Hydrogen has got 1 electron, and chlorine in the outermost it has got 7 electron. So in order to be stable for both hydrogen and chlorine, what will happen? They'll share their electron, and since there is a sharing of electron, a covalent bond will form between hydrogen and chlorine. This is the electron dot order structure, we can say. Okay, so this we need to study about this hydrogen chloride. Now, occurrence, where it occurs. Hydrogen chloride gas occurs in free state in volcanic emissions. So when there is a volcanic eruptions that leads to earthquake, there is a emissions of hydrogen chloride gas. Next, hydrochloric acid of 0.2 to 0.4% is present in gastric juice of mammals. That is, it is present in the stomach, we can say, and it helps in digestions. General methods of preparation of hydrogen chloride gas. The first method is by synthesis, or we call direct combination. So hydrogen combines with chlorine in presence of, we can say, diffuse sunlight to give you hydrogen chloride. So the equation is H2 plus Cl2 in presence of diffuse sunlight will giving you HCl. This is the balance equation. Okay. So this is how we can prepare hydrogen chloride by synthesis or direct combination. Next, the second general method is by heating metallic with concentrated sulfuric acid. So when you have got this is the general equation. Metallic chloride reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid to give you salt and hydrogen chloride. Say for example, if you take sodium chloride and sulfuric acid, it is formed sodium bisulfate and HCl. Similarly, if you take sodium chloride and sulfuric acid, and if the temperature is above 200 degrees Celsius, it will form sodium sulfate and HCl. Similarly, in place of sodium chloride, if you take copper chloride and react with sulfuric acid, it is going to form copper sulfate and hydrogen chloride. Okay, these are the general methods of preparation of hydrogen chloride. Now we'll discuss about the laboratory preparation of HCl. That means in lab how we can prepare HCl gas. So in the laboratory, hydrogen chloride gas can be prepared by the action of concentrated sulfuric acid on sodium chloride. So the method of preparation of HCl is we can prepare hydrogen chloride gas by the action of concentrated sulfuric acid on sodium chloride. So the reactant that we used in the preparation is sodium chloride and concentrated sulfuric acid, and the reactions that follows is the reaction is sodium chloride react with sulfuric acid to give you sodium bisulfate and HCl gas, and that sodium bisulfate can further react with sodium chloride to give you sodium sulfate and HCl. Okay, so this is the reaction that takes place in the laboratory preparation of HCl. Now we'll see with the diagram. So in the laboratory preparation, we have got this round button flask. In this we have kept at the bottom sodium chloride, and from the top we have added concentrated sulfuric acid. So when sodium chloride comes in contact with the sulfuric acid, as for the reaction we can see that sodium chloride and sulfuric acid, it will form HCl gas. Now this HCl gas will come out through this delivery tube, and it is processed to a concentrated sulfuric acid. so that uh, it undergo dehydration, we can say. It undergo dehydration. Okay, and that after that it is filter the hydrogen chloride gas, and it is collected over here in the gas jar by the upward displacement of air. It is collected by the upward displacement of air. So this is the diagram for the laboratory preparation of HCl gas. In lab we can prepare by this arrangement, we can say. Now today's assignment, question number 1, write the methods of preparation of hydrogen chloride gas. General methods you need to write. And question number 2, in the laboratory preparation of hydrogen chloride gas, mention the following: method, that means what is the process. The second one is reactant. The third one is chemical equation. The fourth one is method of collection. And the this is E. You need to draw neat diagram. Okay, is that clear? So complete this assignment and send it in my mail.